think pursuing unity, in my mind, is a reminder that to achieve goals, you can't do it on your own, so you need others. And in a sense, this walk represents or is kind of a metaphor for that journey. And it's going to be times where we feel like we want to give up. The idea of unity comes in where we're all encouraging one another to continue on and to finish this long walk.
As a 5-time participant now this year, I just am continually called back for a multitude of reasons. Pursue's all about discipline, right? It takes time and effort, longevity and investment to see things grow and matriculate, right? You don't plant a garden and expect immediate results. I'm continually around more scholars, more leaders in the community that come to be a part of this amazing event. So 5 years strong, really looking forward to 5 years more, but so thankful to have been part of this community for so long so far.
Well, this is the first time Pursue Unity has had a full rainstorm, but our walkers are still trudging along, 16 miles in now. Just out pursuing unity, doing it for the students. It's great to see. But that's what college is like, right? Like, you don't know what's going to hit you, and you just keep going, and you keep going. Pursue unity.
I think people should know that Pursue is a family. It's a lot of support. Even if you have support already, more support doesn't hurt, and I've just enjoyed the family-like environment that they bring.
So many students throughout this city just lack access because they don't have the funds, they don't have the support, and I'd like to be able to be a catalyst for change. I want to be a catalyst to help ensure that students like me cannot have barriers to accessing good quality education and fulfilling their call in life.
We don't want students to walk alone. We want to walk with them and build a support network around them so that as they walk from high school to college, that they persist into their second year and they need to graduate, and then they're launched into their career, that as a result of being a part of Pursue, they navigate those things not free of the challenges that come with college, but with the supports around them so that they can overcome the obstacles and thrive.